everybody. This is Sherry from Share Bear Cottage, and I'm just working on some envelopes and some pages for my new journals. And I wanted to show you a friend of mine gave me a stack. Let me just fold this down right there. Okay, a friend of mine gave me a stack of these papers that they usually use in a restaurant or something like that when they're making sandwiches, or sometimes they'll put these in the French fry basket. Anyway, and they have this little, I don't know if you can see that or not, they have this little serrated edge. Whew, can you see that? Serrated edge on the top and on the bottom. And let's see, they measure like a little over 10 by 9, I think is what I measured last night. Anyway, I think she got them either at a garage sale or at a Smart and Final. So what I've been making with these is, let me set them aside. They're a little slick, and they're a lot like can't think of the name of that paper right now. Oh boy, not one of those days, guys, please. I'll think of it and then I'll shout it out. So what I did is I cut them down. Some of them I just cut and didn't have a flap on the bottom, and just folded them in half. And some of them, then I put I folded one piece down. I gotta glue that again, but so you can get in this way. And that's a different kind, and these are the ones that are folded in half. They're just folded in half. This one I put a little lip on, so it's easier to get, inside. And then you just have to glue the inside of that. You're done with that size. You can cut these any size you want, and it's just becoming really fun. And you can get a bunch done in no time at all. So I wanted to show you those, and any size you want. You can make them big, you can make them small. Here's one here, that I made pretty small. It's like 2 inches by maybe 3 1/4 inch, something like that, and has the little back flap that comes up, and you glue it in the center there. And I turned these down because they were too even at the top. And then, the medium size, that was small one. Here's another small one. And then the medium size was this one. And some of them I already folded right, so they'd have the little flap, here. And then you can also make great big ones like this, with the flap up. Now this is really big. Let's see if I can find something to kind of show you. Oh, here, we'll use an envelope. Okay. This has the folded part up here. I'll use the back side so you can see all the seams and everything. If I can get this open, there we go. See how long that is? Length of an envelope. So, I mean, this has a little crease in it, but I'm just going to press it out. And then, so I wanted to show you those, and how you can make them. Just cut them up any old size you want. And here's one that I finished. It's going to go on my in my new book. Oop, I just dropped everything. I'm always dropping stuff. Anyway, it's going to go inside this little one here. I think on maybe a page like this. I'm not going to put it here, but, and then you can just, you know, glue down all sides. You can glue down 3 sides. Oh, better get in frame, huh? I'm sorry. Okay, so you can glue around all sides and put the whole thing down. You can glue around 3 sides and have it open in the back. I already have a tag in there. And or you can put it at the corner, which I thought was pretty cool. Glue 2 sides and you'd have a nice tuck there. So, you know, this is a husband and a wife. This is some of the material from her dress and some of her bling. And that's my story for that one. I did ink around the edges a little bit, and I'm not sure that I like that or not. I might use a different color. This was Vintage Photo, here and here, that I inked around. So I thought that I needed to pass that information on to you guys so that you would think about that. If you have a restaurant supply company, they might even have it at something like Costco, you know, in the back where they have their paper towels and their plates, paper plates and things like that. They might have them back there. So yeah, this is what they look like. And I think they come in actually, I think they come in a blue and white box. And then, you know, part of it sticks up like Kleenex. And then you pull one and another one comes up like that. But anyway, she said, can you use these for anything? And I said, boy, I'm going to try. I love this paper. This is, you know, semi-see-through. And, oh my God, I can't think of the name of that paper. It's the baggies. They come in baggies, all different sizes too. So, isn't that amazing? I'm just so happy with that. And I just sat there watching TV last night, you know, and cut all these out and was gluing some stuff. And I thought, I'm going to show my people. Yeah, my peeps. I'm going to show them, you know, what this is and what I'm doing here. This one here, I made into a an envelope. You know, just a regular envelope, like from the envelope, you know, from the envelope maker. Yeah. And I didn't like it. It was way too big, way too square. And so I folded it in half. And I folded it in half this way. Right? And so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make, I'm going to put paper over it and everything, but I'll glue it down to a page. And, let me get a page. I'm going to, you know, put paper on it. I'm going to glue it down to a page like this. And I'll either make 2 pockets, as I can, gosh, I could have 4 pockets out of this if I really wanted. But I just thought, you know, maybe 2 pockets would be good. Let me, like a stair step down. Like this. I hope you can see this. I know it's all white. Anyway, put it like this and then have 2 enclosures here, you know, for, you know, tags, paper, whatever. And it could be 4, you know, if I put holes, finger holes. So because there's 1, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll have to show you that when I get it decorated. But yeah, I was thinking about that too. See, you can go 1 behind, 1 in this one behind this one, and then 1 inside of that one. Isn't that cool? And it was just something I was going to toss in the trash, and I thought, no, I'm going to see how it's going to work here, if this will work. So I'm going to do that. And what else did I want to show you? Oh, I wanted to show you how those came out. in my book. Remember the ones we were working on last week? You know, the ones with the pages, and we're gonna has the paper, and the other one had, oh, I think I used the other one. The other one had the, oh my God, my brain's not working. Let me show you. Okay, this one, let's see. I think it's in here. If it isn't in here, I'd like to know where it went to. Oh, could be in the other half. Yeah, it's like this paper. What is that called, you guys? My brain is completely blank. Leave me a comment. Tell me what it is. Oh, poor Sherry. Well, it's not in this part. Okay, it's not in that part. I think I put it in that one. Let's see if it's in this part. Well, I thought I was ready here, but maybe it's in this one. It turned out really nice too. That's a tuck right there. I'm going to be really embarrassed if I can't find it. Oh my gosh. Mercy me. Oh. Oh my gosh. You guys. How can it not be here? Well, I have several, I do have several journals that I'm working on, so that could be part of the problem. The other problem is I thought I was organized enough to get this on here to show you how it turned out. Oh man, here it is. Here they are. This is my stair step one, and I put it on here and decorated it, and then, you know, of course you can put in, you know, your something behind, something in the front. Same with this one, something behind and something in the front, if I can get it. And something behind. Oh my goodness. And something in the front. You guys hate me yet? Huh? Do you? Oh, there you go. Anyway, that's how it turned out. And it'll look like that in the book. And then I'll have something inside there. You know, I don't know if I'm going to have just something pretty, or if I'm going to find a picture that I like, or, you know, but there'll be something pretty inside there. Yeah, now I can get in the back. Funny. Funny. Okay. I might have put another one back in this part. Let me just look real quick. I might have put the one with the acetate in it. Yeah, here's the one with the acetate. Ooh. My little flowers go over here. This is a flower-packed ephemera right here. But here's the one with the acetate. And it also, you can put something behind. Something behind. And then something in the pocket. In the pocket. Oh. In the pocket. Oh my gosh, you guys. Don't hate me. Please don't hate me. Did I glue it together or something? Well, I'll figure that out. You don't have to sit here and wait for me, but there will be a place to put something in the front and something inside the envelope. So I think they all turned out great, and I'm real happy about them. Maybe I was thinking about putting this little rose over here, you know, something like that. I might have been thinking about that, you know, putting that right there. That even looks pretty. So yeah, let me I'll just put that right in the corner. Where is that flap? I can't even feel it with my fingers, but my fingers have problems. So all right, guys, I don't think I'm going to mess up any more on you today. I'm going to just go ahead and put this back. And I just wanted to show you, you know, the envelope thing, and I was excited about it and happy my friend shared that with me. So, you know, just if you get a chance and you have, you know, some of this paper, or if you see it, even if you're in, it might even be in Walmart, it might be in Costco or Sam's Club. I know it's at Smart and Final, and so it was real fun. It's just a little tag envelope, and real easy, and something you can do watching TV. Excuse me, watching TV. So have some fun, make some different sizes, and I'm just having all kinds of fun with envelopes and little pocket things. And you know, I saw this and I said, I hadn't used that yet. I'm going to get some out and try it. And then I'm going to try some that's real lacy too, you know, and see how it turns out. So that's my sharing for today. And hope to see you again real soon. And hope you're all doing good. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Even though I'm a crazy gal and I just make so many oops. And we'll talk to you in the next video. Okay, guys, thank you, and come back and see me. Bye-bye.